Good morning. Today we're taking a look at the Aura coin on the USD pairing. So the battle rages on. We've been having continual fighting between the bulls and bears now for quite a while. So massive liquidations from a bear comes into play, bulls step in. More liquidations kind of play up, bulls step in. Another bulls start getting some headway, bears step in, exiting their full positioning. Bulls step in. So we're really getting into that final capitulation behavior that you can expect, I think, with a lot of assets. And we're seeing it across the board with most memes right now, and the overall market as people are just not convinced this is something. But the good news is we have our RSI on the Stoch fully reset here on the daily. And I think our 3-day is also almost fully reset. So the momentum is getting close to allowing for this to start sweeping back the other direction. And I'm watching this price action closely because we've actually gotten below the demand levels. So fear and greed is also an interesting thing here. So we move back to neutral on the fear and greed as people are seeing this kind of pop move to the upside. And I'm expecting that this will revisit this extreme fear level not too far from now, just because these dips need to come into play along with the overall crypto market kind of taking a break and breather to the downside. So I will be actively looking to acquire more Aura here soon as my down bet on XRP is finalized here and we can start going higher. So multipliers are still amazing. I mean, we're still incredibly off the lows, and the fact that this has just taken so long for it to play out, I think just this is the capitulating ending. And you can see the volume is super low and suppressed, right? So it's not going to take a lot. It's more just the time component and people feeling comfortable with buying again. And I think that price action moving back up will be the indication for them. So we just have to keep watching. But yeah, our 3-day Stoch is almost reset. The daily RSI is still working on crossing positive again, as it's kind of still flopping around. And so with those indications in play, plus being below our demand zone for this next level, we just have to jump in and start buying. So as soon as my trades are ready, I'll be getting more. And these levels are getting pretty silly low across the board for most of these memes. So we'll be checking in soon. And thanks so much for watching.